put my chapstick right in front of my monitor, kind of like a reminder. Keep your mouth shut. I have one a follower, one viewer.
Oh no.
I need to have an average of.
Dude, your character was like floating in the air. You see this thing right here? This guy's like the worst killer. So annoying. He's gonna put some shit on your head and you have to go find these and try and take it off. His name's Jigsaw. He's from, what's that movie?
Saw.
What'd you say?
Saw. Do you want to play a game?
Yes.
Oh shit!
Why did I think it was called something else? I'm like, no, it's not Saw.
This guy's tricky. Did he hurt someone?
Yeah, gray hair, wise guy? Oh.
Yeah, he hurt him and then let him just lay there.
I'm actually running over to him right now.
He's camping that body.
Is he... Fuck. I hear the heartbeat. Oh, sorry.
Shoot.
Yeah, so once he puts this thing on your head, there's a little timer that goes around your name. And if you don't get it off your head, by the time the timer runs out, your head explodes.
Oh my goodness, that's instant death.
Yeah, so...
There's no coming back from that.
That's why it sucks playing against them, because it's like, do I try and get this thing off my head, or do I fix generators? I see what he's doing. He's hurting them, putting that thing on their head and just leaving them on the floor so their head explodes. What a douche.
Son of a bitch.
Uh-oh. Shit. Oh,
Come on!
no, he's coming after me! Fucking A. No. Don't do it, damn it!
I have claws on the top of my head. Or on my, like, avatar thing on the side of the screen.
It means you're the obsession, so if the killer kills you, they get more points.
Oh, great.
They usually leave you to the end, because if they kill you last, they get a lot more points. But that's not always the case. Oh shit, my head's gonna explode.
What does cleanse totem mean?
Uh, it like stops some of the killer perks.
Hey, come back!
Oh no, my head's gonna explode. I gotta find these things. Thank God. Okay, I'm here.
I can know you.
Thank you.
Oh shit!
Yeah, let's go. Oh God.
No, shit! No, oh no! No. Really, he's going after you and not me.
He saw me, but he went the other way. So I'm good. Oh, hey, I forgot to tell you, the lockers, you can hide in them, but it makes a noise, so I usually don't hide in them, but you can. The killer let me boop his nose, too. It was kind of funny.
Dude, I just ran right into him. Oh no! Oh no!
Oh. He's gonna put that hat on you.
Do it! Do it!
Yup, there it is.
No, he's gonna put me on the...
Did he leave you on the floor?
He's holding me.
Oh.
And so I have to wiggle out.
So
He's
now
just
your
carrying me around.
head's really gonna explode.
Oh no! Oh, remove track! Oh no! Skill check! Just waiting for...
I think he's farming, to be honest. Oh. I'm opening this door. I think you can escape with that on, and you'll be okay. As long as the timer doesn't run out.
We're doing this again? Really? We're doing this again! Let me go! Let me go! Let me go!
I'll try and save you. I don't know where you are, though.
Are you kidding me? Oh.
You're the obsession, so...
Oh my gosh. He keeps killing me and then dropping me off by the,
Where are you? I hear
he's
the
standing
killer.
right behind me. Don't come to me.
hear him. Wait, shit, where is he? Oh. Where are you? I don't see you.
He's following me. So basically, he'd pick my body. He'd get me with the thing, and then pick my body up and carry it to one of those things that takes it off.
Oh,
And then the
yeah.
moment that I recover, he
He's
just follows me and puts another one back on.
he's totally farming you. Because he gets points every time he does it to you. Like, a lot more points. Wait, I don't remember where the exit was. Go wait. Is this it? Yep.
Where is the exit? Shit.
Uh,
I did.
just running along the walls. There should be 2 of them. One of them's open, I know that. Let's see.
I think he's following me.
Oh, by the way, you need to get out before the end of that thing runs out.
I'm trying.
I don't know where you are. Is he behind you still?
I think so.
Yeah, I don't see it. I think you're getting closer, though. Yeah, I think it's over there. I don't think you're gonna make it. You're not gonna make it.
No. Come on.
Oh, there he is. There's a killer
No!
screaming. He was standing right in front of it.
Damn it. Boy.
Oops.
That was fun.